Ecosystem. So in the previous video we have learned that there are four components, namely productivity, decomposition, energy flow and nutrient cycling in the ecosystem. Now in this video let us learn about productivity. A constant source of energy is the basic need for any ecosystem to function and sustain. Primary production is defined as the amount of biomass or organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants during photosynthesis. The rate of biomass production is called productivity and it is expressed in terms of grams per square meter per area or kilocalories per square meter per area. Now, productivity can be of two types, namely primary productivity and secondary productivity. Primary productivity is the rate at which energy is trapped or biomass is synthesized by the producers per unit area, time per unit area through the process of photosynthesis. It has two aspects, namely gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. Gross primary productivity is the total amount of energy captured or the total organic matter or biomass manufactured by the producers in their photosynthesis per unit time per unit area. Net primary productivity is the amount of energy or biomass stored by the producers per unit area per unit time. Net primary productivity is less than the gross primary productivity. Net primary productivity will be equal to gross primary productivity minus respiration. Now let us look at secondary productivity. It is the rate at which organic matter is built up by the consumers, especially the primary consumers or the herbivores. So this is about the different types of productivity that is seen in an ecosystem. Let us look into the differences between gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. So, gross primary productivity is the rate of total amount of energy captured or organic matter formed by the producers. Net primary productivity is the rate of energy stored or biomass accumulated by the producers. It depends upon the amount of photosynthetic area and photosynthetic efficiency. Net primary productivity depends upon the rate of photosynthesis as well as respiration. Now, gross primary productivity is the gross gain of energy or biomass being equal to the sum of net primary productivity plus respiration rate. Now, in net primary productivity, it is the net gain of energy or biomass being equal to primary productivity minus the rate of respiration. Let's look at the differences between primary productivity and secondary productivity. Primary productivity is the rate at which organic matter is built up by the producers. Secondary productivity is the rate at which organic matter is built up by the consumers. Primary productivity is due to photosynthesis, while secondary productivity is due to herbivory and predation.